We will guide you through how to import Illustrator file to Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening the Adobe Photoshop app. When the welcome screen appears, look on the left side and select the Create New option to begin a new document. A pop-up menu will appear where you can adjust your document settings according to your preference, where you can simply use one of the available templates. After setting up the document, click Create to make your workspace and open a new file. Once the workspace is ready, go to the File menu at the top of the Photoshop window. From the menu, select the Open option to browse for the file you want to import. Find the Illustrator file you want to import. Select the Illustrator file and click Open to continue. Photoshop will begin loading the Illustrator file, so wait for the program to finish processing it. After that, check the Import window that appears on your screen. This window gives you options for deciding how the Illustrator artwork should be imported into Photoshop. Choose whether you want to import the artwork as a smart object or as a rasterized image. A smart object allows you to preserve the artwork for more flexible editing, while a rasterized image converts it into pixels. Next, adjust the width, height, and resolution settings according to your preference and the requirements of your project. Make sure the settings match the size and quality you need before continuing. When everything looks correct, click OK to import the Illustrator artwork into Photoshop. The artwork will then appear on the Photoshop canvas. Check the imported artwork and make sure all elements appear correctly. Look for missing details, incorrect proportions, or other issues that may have occurred during the import process. Next, use the Move tool to adjust the position of the artwork on the canvas. Drag the artwork to place it in the desired location.